Students, now we are going to learn last problem in bank reconciliation statement. Listen carefully. Prepare bank reconciliation statement of Mr. Deepak as on 31st December 2018. The starting point is debit balance as per passbook, rupees 50,000. Now heading bank reconciliation statement as on 31st December 2018 starts with the debit balance as per passbook. If it starts with the debit balance as per passbook, it should end with the credit balance as per cash book. It is bank overdraft as well as it is unfavorable. So it starts with unfavorable, ends with the unfavorable. So if it starts with unfavorable, we should give same effect to the passbook transaction, opposite effect to the cash book transaction. Once again, here starting point is unfavorable, ending point also unfavorable. Okay. Now, check sent to bank for rupees 80,000 but not yet cleared. Where the transaction taken place? It was in cash book. It was added. What we supposed to do? Where cash book? Here ending point. Here we should give opposite effect. Already it was added. Now we have to deduct. Check sent to bank for collection not yet cleared. Not yet cleared. The value of the check, how much? 80,000. Second one completed. Third one, check drawn. Drawn means issued. Check drawn means issued. Where the transaction taken place? It was in cash book. It was deducted. So check drawn for rupees 10,000 not presented for payment. The transaction was taken place in the cash book. It was deducted. Now we should give opposite effect. What we have to do? We have to add check issued, but not presented for payment. The value of check how much? 10,000. Okay. Direct deposit by a customer. This transaction was taken place in the passbook. It was added in the passbook. Where is passbook starting point? We should give same effect. We have to add direct deposit by a customer. Direct deposit by a customer. Value 9,000. Next, interest on bank overdraft. As per passbook 2,000. It was deducted in the passbook. It was deducted in the passbook. Where is passbook starting point? We should give what? Same. We have to deduct interest on bank overdraft. Interest on bank overdraft in the passbook. The value 2,000 rupees. Now we are going to find balance. Total 19,000. If we add these two, we will get 69,000. This is plus value. Here 82,000. It is minus value. So the balance we are getting in negative form. So 82,000 minus 69,000. So here we are getting negative balance. If we get negative balance, what happens? The unfavorable balance changes into the favorable balance. So credit balance changes into debit balance. OD will be cancelled. Unfavorable turns into favorable balance. Unfavorable turns into the favorable balance. Favorable balance as per cash book. Students, in this problem, the starting point is unfavorable. Ending point supposed to be unfavorable. Since we are getting the negative balance value, we have to change the aspect type. So we changed. We completed BRS. In next class, we will solve different concept. Till that, bye and thank you.